that I don't know what a stem cell is.
Well, a stem cell, you are born with every stem cell you're ever going to need, and they're stored in your bone marrow.
Right.
When we are inflamed and traumatized, we don't release stem cells.
Mm-hmm.
So therefore and stem cells can become every cell in your body. They can become your eyes, your skin, your hair, your heart, your nerves.
So they're like building blocks.
Building blocks, absolutely. So stem cells are released from the bone marrow.
They're proteins.
No, they're a cell. So the cells are released from the bone marrow and they're drawn to the area of the body with the most inflammation. Now, if you have got heaps of fibrin in your body, so just say you've got heaps of fibrin around your heart for some reason because you're traumatized, or fibrin around your gut because you're stressed, or fibrin around your lungs. If you're not taking something like plasma flow, the stem enhance aren't going to get there anyway. So every time you take 2 stem cells, stem cell enhance support, you're releasing between 4 and 12 million stem cells out into your body within 40 minutes. So then they are drawn to the because of the ingredients in it. They've known this for 30 years. There's heaps of research on it. So it's basically the nutrients in it, the activated ingredients help to pull it out. It's from
so that actually gets it. So it actually affects the bone marrow, so they can release it.
Yeah, and it's within 40 minutes. That's been well and truly proven.
So it makes you
release your own stem cells even when your body is stressed.
Oh, that's interesting.
So that's why I love the plasma flow, 2 in the morning and at least 4 of the stem cells a day, because that way you're getting between 8 and 24 million stem cells in your body. With the plasma flow, you're releasing, you're getting the blood flow going, so it's going to go to the area that's most important.
Right.
Because if you need to repair your brain because of a brain injury or because of dementia, because of Alzheimer's, and you've got poor blood supply there, the plasma flow helps the blood supply. If you're recovering after an operation, the stem cells is needed, but you might still have inflammatory stuff. So when you're taking drug anti-inflammatories, you're not fixing the problem. Drug anti-inflammatories help you with pain, but what they did a 20-year study on anti-inflammatories and there was no improvement in the original injury. It doesn't fix the original injury. It allows people time and excuse me. So they looked at people who had had chronic pain for 20 years who were taking anti-inflammatories, and they found that a huge percentage of them, the original injury was still there. People complained about the original injury.
That's interesting, because in like in my code of ethics, for example, being a holistic therapist, it's like what you're doing is you're creating conditions so the body can heal itself.
Yes.
And so, but what that's doing is creating conditions, but the body isn't healing itself.
Yeah.
Whereas this type of thing, it's like you're creating the conditions.
Like so many of my older clients, when I start seeing them, they take 2 Panadol in the morning just to, get through the day. It's just so automatic because they've been told that it's okay. But every time we take 2 Panadol, we're depleting all of our liver stores of glutathione and sulfur. So we're not repairing our liver ever. And then our liver enzymes raise. And when your liver enzymes raise in your blood test, that means cell death of your liver. And that happens, and people come into me and they say, my liver enzymes are high, and they're taking painkillers. And I go, yeah, you're taking painkillers. Your liver enzymes will always be high. And that's when it destroys the ability for them to break down things like oxalates. Anyway, so, it's a big thing. So I just really wanted to mention these 2 little guys because they're so powerful and so important. And especially when we've had trauma in our childhood, it bypasses the trauma and it allows the body to start healing.